Alright, this is my kid's new radio flyer. I got him. I'll post a picture of what it looked like before, but it's the all-terrain wagon, all-terrain wheels, whatever it's called. They had the original wood on the sides here, but I took it down and I found some brackets on Amazon, and just I like the brackets better on the inside just because it's kind of a cleaner look, you know, leaves the outside bed kind of exposed and shows a lot better, looks a lot better to me. The wheels I got off of Harbor Freight, 4 wheels, they're about $8 each, not bad. Nothing wrong with the old ones, I just wanted a little upgrade. So I stripped it down to bare metal. I found this paint color. It's called burnt copper. I found it at the auto store down the street. And then I sprayed a clear coat on it, as you can see. Got a little shine to it. The wood slats, I burned them, scorched them with some butane, and then just wiped them down real good. I sanded them real good before that, so they're pretty smooth. No issues. Shouldn't be any issues getting splinters or anything. Let's see. The inside, I did a bed liner. I did a bed liner on the inside, sprayed it. It was pitted pretty bad, so I decided to disguise all the flaws and do it that way. The decal, I got that from Etsy. There's a couple other things I want to do to this wagon. I don't want to get too crazy. I really just want it to be functional for my son. Here's the backside. I'll probably get a license plate for him. The wheels, the color, there's the color right there. It's popping pretty good. Yeah, overall pretty cool little project. It took me a few weeks to do. The wheels, I had to get some spacers for the inside of the bearings. So got some spacers for those so they could actually fit. And then like I said, the wood, I just love how it came out right here, just because it's, you know, there's no brackets on the outside, you know, blocking side of the flyer. Yeah, super cool. So pretty functional. Added this little flag on there for him. Add that little flag on there, pretty cool. Added this little grip or cushion, I guess you could say. It's for a walking cane, but you know, just so it doesn't chip the paint right there and keep banging around. That's pretty much what it's for. But overall, pretty cool little project there. Would I do it again? Good question.